Discover Nifty's morning moves towards the 25,000 mark, driven by the FOMC meeting, US NFP release, and Middle East tensions. In early action, GIFT Nifty seen wobbling. Well, caution may prevail as traders gear up for key catalysts this week. 1. The FOMC meeting will conclude on 31st July. 2. Friday's US NFP. Our call of the day suggests Nifty's 24,999.75 record high is attention-grabbing. The number itself is a proud moment for many Indian investors, as suggests corporate India is in pretty good shape. That said, for the day, volatility is likely to be the hallmark amidst 1. Tensions in the Middle East have intensified. 2. FII's net sellers to the tune of Rs. 2475 crores in yesterday's trade. Long story short, buy on any early sharp declines should be the preferred strategy, as Nifty shall aim psychological 25,000 milestone as Fed's September rate cut seen as done deal. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2475 crores, while DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 5666 crores. Sentiments could turn risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are still indicating higher high-low play. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX hovers at 12.94 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.44 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 31st July, is at 0.68. Nifty outlook, an up and down session quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 4836. Support, 24,700 to 24,600. Resistance, 25,000 to 25,200. Range, 24,700 to 25,000. Bias, sideways. Bank Nifty, CMP 51406. Support, 51,000 to 50,800. Resistance, 51,700 to 51,900. Range, 51,000 to 51,700. Bias, sideways. In yesterday's trade, Nifty succumbed to profit booking, ended unchanged after scaling record highs at 24,999.75 mark. Nifty Midcap and Small Cap ended with 1% gains, scaling fresh record all-time high. Bandhan Bank shares leapt 14% on robust Q1 results, DLF zoomed 5% on strong June quarter performance. Larsen gained 2.5% on winning large orders. Q1 results to trickle in today, Tuesday, 30th July, Dixon, Exide, Granules, Indus Tower, IOC, Navin Fluor, Tata Consumer, Torrent Power.